number 10. Sa 3. Di nakabawi. Rebound number 15. Bukaka. And here you go. Nabitin pa. And first flat for number 4. And fast break now. And all out. At pinagawa na si basket. For Dre. Bang! Dali ngayon si number Rinky Naliwale siya. And basket for number 6. Pass inside. Fake clutch fire. Off the glass. Basket for 10. Long pass. Number 4. Sumalida tumira. And on the bound. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Station para sa laban ng La Union at Lawag. And here's jump ball mga idol, parehas sila ng color, parehas sila matatampi. And here's Team La Union, matatapikan, recover, fires for 3, won't go, battle for rebound, mapupunta ng sa Team Lawag City.
Lawag City,
Fire for 3, no good, off the mark. And here you go, nagmamadali, pinabitin pa, and bird flat for number 4. Back to number 12. Naagawan ngayon ng Team Lawag. 2 on 2. Iniwan, pinabitin, and basketball to. And it's a home court advantage. And here's number 5 for Dre. Bang! And here's number 12 to number 15. Pass it to the middle, number 10. Sa 3. Bang! And here's Team Lawag City, number 7. Pass to number 9. Attacking the rim, matatapikan dito, number 10. Edges pass, naiwan and kinaliwa, and basket. Team Lawag City, gustong makabawi. Iniwan si Idol, pass it inside. And here's the backdoor inbound, looking for a receiver. Pass it to number 1, pass inside. Kick out to number 13. Fake and fire. Using the window, na rebound and back shot. Here's number 12 for Team La Union, passes to number 15. Pass to the middle, number 12.
Score 10-4 in favor of La Union.
Sa 3, wala. Rebound number 13. And pass break now, and all alone. At kinalawada si easy basket. And here you go again, Team Lawag City. Easy basket again. And down to 2 ang kalamangan ng Team La Union, titira sa 3. Bang! Another. And here's for the backdoor inbound. Pass to number 2. Pass back number 4. Kakaldak. Reverse layup. Won't go. Battle for rebound. Na-rebound niya. And put back shot. And dice. And to number 12. Pass to number 15. Perimeter shot. Marirebound dito ni number 8. Nagmamadali ngayon si number 13, kinaliwalay siya. And basket for 2. Number 12 process the mid lane, maagawad dito. And here's Team La Union for the lead. And 1-point lead, Team La Union. And here you go, number 5. And again, no good. Kick it out. And number 12 to number 15. Pass it inside. Perimeter fade away, wala. And to number 13 for Team Lawag City, kinaliwalay down. And here's number 12. Sa titira sa 3, wala. Nakukuha ng Team Lawag, behind the back dribble. Number 13, kick it to number 4. Stop, pull up J, won't go. And here's number 12 for Team La Union. Sumisinyas, matatapikan dito and saves the ball. And recover by number 12. Papasa sa loob, kakaldag, fake and fire. It's off the mark. And here's number 13, long pass. Number 4, Sumalida, tumira, and unlucky bound. And here's number 4. Pass it inside. Fires, basket for 2. Seconds for the first quarter. And waiting for the clock to expire. 5 seconds to shoot. Won't go. Marirebound ni number 15. And that's it. And here's Team Lawag, number 12.
First personal foul, number 4, second team.
Pass inside, reverse layup, basket is
2
good.
points.
And it's number 4 to number 13. Matatapikan dito. Maagawan. Number 13, tuloy-tuloy, binitbit lays up. And that's good for... And here's number 4. Sa gilid, open for 3. Air ball. Hook, nakuha ng Team Lawag. Pass break ngayon, number 13. Pass it there. And boy! Uy, buti na lang, the save. And Mo Idol. And number 5, crossover. Zumizigzag. Oh, behind the back dribble. Sa 3. Wala. Number 13, nagmamadali. Napakabilis. The flash. And pabitin, good for 2. And recover by number 15, 1 dribble. Basket and 1. Nagawan, pass break ngayon. Lays up.
Here's the basket, number 5. 23-27.
On 3.
30 seconds.
And 10 seconds on the game clock. Number 13,
Five.
step back, fires. Wala. Number 13 pa rin, pinilit. And here's Team Lawag City, cross pass.
12 to shoot.
Number 13 to the middle, number 8, pinasa sa loob, reverse layup, and basket is good. And here's number 12 to number 15, pass back, and cross pass, number 5, inside pass to number 4, fires,
2 points,
basket is
number
good. And here's number 13, behind the back dribble, attacking the rim, kick it out, for 3, bang! And his Team La Union, number 12, dribbling the ball. And number 15, number 10, sa 3. Di nakabawi. Rebound number 15, Butata.
6.
And here's Team Lawag, number 13, dire-diretso, basket and 1. And here's number 12. For the move, maagawan dito. Out mare-recover. Stop pull-up J. At nakuha lang Team Lawag City, number 13. 1 versus 2, dire-diretso, nakalusot. And good for 2. Yan, here's Team La Union, pinabitin, basket and 1. And here's Team Lawag, dire-diretso, and again, good for 2. Hope nagawan, number 4, pass break. And DC basket. Number 12, dribbling the ball.
10 to shoot.
And second shoot, looking for receiver.
8.
Sa 3. Air ball. Pass break ngayon. To number 13, binitbit. And to basket again.
2 points,
That's
number
good for
5.
2. And here's number 13,
14
sending the
to
play. Bounce pass to number 9.
9 to shoot.
6. Number 7, pull up J. Good, basket good. And here's number 12 to number 15. Number 5, sa 3. Won't go. Rebound for Team Lawag City. 2 versus 2. Umatake, fires, and basket na
13 foul.
Floater shot, basket and 1. And for the inbound, pass to number 4. To number 12, number 4, pass to number 15. Number 4, attacking the rim. Number 15, 1 dribble, kick out for 3. Off the mark, rebound number 6, pass inside. Kakaldag dito, fake clutch fire. Off the glass, basket for number 12. To number 9. Pass to number 12. Stop, pull up J. Basket is good. And it's number 11 for Team Lawag. Ang gandang pass, ang gandang tira. Good for 2.
20 seconds.
20 seconds to play. Number 6.
15.
Pull up J. Wala, rebound.
10 seconds.
That's 10 seconds. And
Five.
master. And easy basket. And that's the Team Lawag City stop. To number 4. Uy, alley-oop pass and the field by number 8. And here's Team La Union. Oop. Naku. And for the inbound. Oop. Number 13. Alley-oop. Rebound. Put back shot off the glass. Bangs it home. Number 12. Attack. Eliza. Put too strong. Oh, floater of the glass. And good for 2. And holding the ball, number 15 to number 6. Number 5 for 3. Wale. Rebound, put back. And good for 2. The ball, number 4 to number 13.
10.
12-10 shoot. Pass inside. The alley-oop pass again. The connection inside. Pass break na naman. Oh, pass. And here's number 7. Pass back number 7.
8 to shoot.
Sa gitna number 9.
5.
Kakaldag. Fade away. Oh, good for 2. At na-recover number 15. Bumangga. Oops. Tumalsik mga idol. Number 15 putback shot. Basket and 1. Behind the back dribble. Naagawan mga idol. And 2 versus 1. Bounce pass. Number 5. Binit Pate. Easy basket. And dribbling the ball number 7. For Team Lawag City. To the middle. Bounce pass. Magkakagawan. Makukuha ng Team La Union. And number 4 to number 15. Straight to the basket. Basket and 1. And to number 7.
Four minutes, 30 seconds.
Minute B, 2,
Basket.
easy basket. And here's number 7. Number 13. Pinasa ang gandang pasay sa finish. Number 4. Pass it there, tumira off the glass. And here's number 12, behind the back dribble. Spin,
Time to shoot.
Number 12.
5 to shoot.
Fires off the
Basket.
glass. Yes, sir. And it's number 7. Pass at the middle. Saves the ball. To number 10. No pass break. And 2 versus 1. Binitbit lays up. Easy basket. Down to. And number 13. Fires. For the inbound. Madrid. Number 13.
10 to shoot.
Nakalusot. Lays up. 2-4-2.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Bounce pass.
Basket. 30 seconds.
That's 40 seconds to shoot. Stop. Fires. Rebound. Good. Good attack.
30 seconds.
And
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
15. 10.
And congratulations, Team Lawag